Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel.
It's your local family with Rita and Krishna.
I hope everyone is having a good day.
Thank you in advance for watching, and we hope that you enjoy this video.
Please subscribe to our channel
And share with everyone. So today we're cooking some nice duck curry. I got the duck already cleaned up here. I remove all the skin and the fat. This is the way I like it. And we're also gonna have some fried fish, some fried butterfish, fresh fish that I bought from New York. So I'm gonna fry that. Over here we got the rice going here. So this is the rice boiling. I also got some dal here bubbling up here too. So dal, rice and duck curry and fried fish for who don't eat the duck meat. So the duck is only for me and Ethan. Jenna and Rita is going to eat dal and rice and fried fish. They don't eat duck. So stay with us and see how we prepare these meals. So here we have the celery stick still in the garden, surviving the winter. And we also got some shallot. Not too much, but they're surviving, right? We got fine thyme too, still green. And we got some shallot over there, right? Look at that. They're still surviving. So yes guys, I'm outside frying this butterfish here. It's very cold, but we wanted to do it outside. So the butterfish is coming along pretty good here. And we have some rainy weather out here in New Jersey. We might get our first snow today. So let's see. So here I got my dal finished. I'm gonna chunk it up with some nice jeera and garlic here. Cover it up so it doesn't pitch upside. This is smelling real good there. Ready to drink some, right? So this is how my dal is looking there.
It's foggy. Real nice.
Dal nice and chunky up. Ready to go with some rice and some duck curry.
Yeah.
Or some fried fish, either one.
And here we're doing some chana for Jenna to take for lunch tomorrow. She don't eat school lunch, so every day we have to prepare something nice for her.
So I'm ready to cook my duck. I'm going in with my oil here. I got my pan or my karahi warm up. With duck you got to give it a decent amount of oil. It's not a full duck, it's half of it. I'm only using half because only me and Ethan are gonna use this, right? So I'll let this warm up and then I'll go in with my ingredients. So I got my butterfish fried up. This is how it comes out. I did this outside like I was showing you guys earlier. So this has come out real nice. I'm gonna be watching football, drinking some beer and eat some nice fried fish cut up. I'll make sure Rita and again non-feed to the dal and rice. Alright, so I have all my stuff prepped here. Ready to go. So let this I'll warm up and then we'll go in.
And I'm also making some mango sour. My mango sour run out. Check it out. It's bubbling up here. I add some pepper from the garden and garlic, not from my garden.
And mango from a tree in the backyard.
Yes.
So my oil is warm up. I'm going in with my onion and pepper here. So I got my onion and pepper in. I got some decent amount of fresh ground garlic and some green seasoning from the garden. Depends on how much you like, right? This is a decent amount for what I will be using. Other ingredients here, I have bay leaf, masala, ground jeera, curry powder, and some turmeric, right? I got decent amount of masala because duck, you gotta use a nice amount of masala to cook your duck. Stop and let it bunjao. I'm gonna have to put some water in this because it's getting a little bit dry. So let me get some. So I got the masala in there. So while that is going on, we got some black pepper, some Mr. Dash, paprika, and some red chili powder. And we're going in with some salt.
For taste.
We got all the sarjam ready there. We're going in with the duck meat. We're gonna let this stay in there. And bunje the duck. So we got all the duck meat in there. and nice and cover up with all the masala and the ingredients.
Yeah, duck need a lot of ingredient.
Right, to flavor it up. And so we're gonna let this bunje for a little bit. We're going in with some grind ginger.
We get fresh ginger too, but we don't want to put that.
Some nice fresh, not fresh, grind ginger. And we're gonna put some meat tenderizer to make sure this duck boil real good. We also got some fine thyme
Cilantro.
and some cilantro. So the mango sour is done, looking real good there. So we did 2 mango for that. So let's check out the duck, see how the duck is coming along there. Looking real good.
Yeah. And we didn't add in the water. This is all from the duck.
Yep, so we're gonna let that dry for a little bit more and then we'll add the water for the gravy.
That's the meat tenderizer doing its thing.
Rita is making some nice fish choker here.
Yeah.
We got the butterfish. So we got some nice butterfish choker here. We got onion and pepper in and some salt
and lime juice.
and some lemon juice.
I'm gonna show you guys my plate. I don't eat duck, so this will work nice with dal.
Rita is making this to eat with her dal and rice.
Yes.
Looking real good there. Chatok, motok.
You want to taste it?
No,
Why?
I'm saving my taste bud for the duck.
You know, like?
Yeah, it's good.
You need a little more pepper, but I didn't put more. I want to see if Ethan gonna try it. Ethan like fish choker too.
I got my dal and rice and my duck curry here. I'm gonna go ahead and taste the dal and rice. So let me taste the duck meat. See how it's if it's boiled and if it's eating very good. Look at this, nice and soft. This work really good. This is heaven.
Guys, check out my plate. I got dal, fried fish, fish choker, achar, and coconut choker. Check it out. And of course some chili, green chili. I think my food is the best. Who could give up any duck from my plate? Drop a comment down below. Check it out, guys. The original OG here.
Nah, duck is the best.